Hello guys, my name is Juan. I'm one of the sous chefs here at DOYA. Today we're gonna make a very special plate. It's Eggplant Kebab, so I just invite you guys to check it out with us. You can serve it whenever you wanna come. We hope to see you here soon. So basically what we're gonna do right here is one of actually my favorite specials. This is an eggplant roll kebab, basically. You guys are gonna see the end result, but actually this is one of my favorite Turkish foods. I fell in love with Mediterranean cuisine, you know, as soon as I knew about it. It was just like love at first sight. So this salt is basically so the inner cells of the eggplant break down and it's easier to handle. Otherwise, if we start in like putting the meat right now with the eggplant like this, it's gonna break on us. 5 to 6 minutes so it can soak up all the salt and starts like throwing all the water. So this is our lamb. I'm gonna marinate it with a bunch of different Turkish spices. We're gonna add a little bit of zaatar, not too much because it's very heavy. A good amount of cumin so it pairs up real well with the lamb. Some good sumac for that acidity. And this is isot. I don't know if you guys know this one, but this is basically a Turkish red chili. So we're gonna go with our boy isot right here, a good amount of that because I want it to be a little spicy. A little bit of marash, raw puree garlic. Now we mix so like everything is combined. What we do so we can make sure like everything is proper. I'm gonna do a little burger right here. And I'm gonna put it on the grill so we can taste it. So then we can see if it's missing like salt, if it's missing, you know, more garlic maybe, you know. So now I'm gonna put this ones right here so we can take out the, you see it's like very easy to handle. It's gonna break. And I'm gonna dry it up a little bit so I can take all that excess salt. Otherwise, it's gonna be super salty, and you don't even realize it, you know? So I'm gonna start assembling the kebab. So the idea is that the lamb, I mean, covers the whole, you know, the whole eggplant. You know, so we help it out with our hands. We make it real quick. So we start rolling the same. The lip is gonna go up. Being very careful because at the end of the day, it's still an eggplant, you know, so it's gonna be very soft and delicate. So there you go. This is our kebab. The idea with this one, you cannot do it as hot as you may think because the eggplant needs to cook, but at the same time, the beef has to cook and it has to keep like moist. There's nothing more sad than beef that it's not, you know, moist. So we're gonna put it on the coals, just like that. And we keep flipping it like quite often, so it cooks very nice. And here in DOYA we use a lot of wood fire. This is like a flavor that you cannot beat it. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna flip it. Check it out. Check that beautiful char. And we're gonna just continue doing it over and over again until the eggplant is completely cooked. We try to do specials almost every day. We like to keep it interesting also for ourselves, you know. We do alongside with Gendry a lot of research and development. So over here I have haydari, which is one of the messes that we have here in the restaurant. So I'm gonna put a little bit of haydari. Spread it up real good that it looks very nice, you know. And now I'm gonna come right here and start plating my eggplants. What is Mediterranean food without olive oil? This is sumac, so what we're doing is basically, you know, replicating the same flavors that we have inside of the beef. Some parsley to make it beautiful and nice and like vibrant with color. Maldon salt is basically like very, very thick sea salt. This one we like to do them like this because I think like this charred flavor helps out a lot with the tomato, and it's like it keeps it inside like very fresh, very juicy. With the help of the torch, we're gonna just heat it up. We're gonna plate our tomato right here. Some salt on top so the tomato gets like beautiful and tasty. And there you go, man. This is our eggplant kebab here in DOYA. I hope you guys like it, and see you soon.